Happy birthday. Hey Krishna, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday, my best friend from Haflong, Assam. I really wish the best for you. Enjoy the day. God bless you. You are one of the best human beings I've ever met. And I wish all the best for you. Enjoy karo all day long. And have masti, have fun, have a great time, and I wish you all the best in all the endeavors in your life. Whatever you do, I am sure you are gonna rock. You are a rock star, and of course, have fun with the family and enjoy. Okay, have a great day. Happy birthday again.
हैप्पीएस्ट एंटरटेनिंग बर्थडे कृष्णा दीदी। भगवान करे आप हमेशा यूं ही मुस्कुराती रहें, यूं ही खुश रहें जैसा आप हमेशा रहती हैं। और जितनी भी मुश्किलें, तकलीफ़ें, ये जो टफ़ वर्ड्स हैं, ये आपकी लाइफ से हमेशा हमेशा के लिए बहुत बहुत दूर चली जाएं। इतनी दूर चली जाएं कि वापस आना मुश्किल हो जाए इन सब के लिए लाइफ में। और आप ऐसे ही अपनी आवाज़ से, अपने टैलेंट से, अपनी पोएट्री से और अपनी लीडरशिप से हम सबको गाइड करते रहिए, मोटिवेट करते रहिए और ऐसी ही खुशियाँ हम सब में भी बांटते रहिए और ख़ुद भी बहुत बहुत सारा खुशी से झूमते रहिए। हैप्पीएस्ट बर्थडे वंस अगेन। कीप स्माइलिंग डियर एल्डर सिस्टर।
तुम हुस्न परी, तुम जाने जहाँ, तुम सबसे हंसी, तुम सबसे जवां। या इस कृष्णा दी, अब लगते नहीं हो आप हमसे इतने बड़े हो, हम सबसे इतने सीनियर हो, बिकॉज द वे यू बिहेव विद अस इज सो अमेजेबल। I feel so happy, so glad to have you and talk with you, conversate with you. I really learned so many things from you every coming day, from your status, from your voice, from your texture, from your accent, from your everything what you do. You are just a huge person. I love, I admire a lot, and I'm really blessed to say that Krishna Chakraborty is my sister. A very happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day and just be as you are. You guys are so amazing that
जन्मदिन आया है आज के दिन, पर खुशियाँ बरसती रहे हर दिन। रोशन हो जीवन, प्रफुल्लित हो तन मन, गूंजता रहे तुम्हारी हंसी से घर का आंगन। आज का दिन तुम्हें बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो कृष्णा। तुम्हें हम बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं। तुम्हारे बगैर इनके और वर्ड्स की फैमिली बहुत अधूरी है। जल्दी ही लौट आओ। बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये आए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर कृष्णा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। Many happy returns of the day. Take care. See you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday Krishna, many happy returns of the day. Stay blessed and have a great year ahead. প্রথম দেখা বোধহয় ওপেন মাইকে হয়েছিল, তো তারপর থেকেই বন্ধুত্ব শুরু এবং এইভাবেই এগায়। তা এখন প্রত্যেকটা ওপেন মাইকের কমন ফেস শুধু কৃষ্ণা চক্রবর্তীই থাকে। ভবিষ্যতে আমি আরও উজ্জ্বল দেখতে চাই তোমার ভবিষ্যৎ, এবং এইভাবেই এগিয়ে যাও। বেস্ট অফ লাক। অ্যান্ড মোস্ট ইম্পর্টেন্টলি, আমি যদি তোমার কথা বলা শুরু করি তাহলে সত্যি ওটা শেষ হবে না, কারণ তুমি একটা আরজে, রাইটার, ইনফ্লুয়েন্সার, স্পিকার। সত্যি এতগুলো গুণ একটা মানুষের মধ্যে খুবই কম দেখা যায়। তা আমি এটাই বলবো, এই যে তোমার মধ্যে এই গুণগুলো রয়েছে, এইটা নিয়ে এগিয়ে যাও এবং ভবিষ্যতে আরও অনেক বড় নাম অর্জন করো। তৃষ্ণা চক্রবর্তী যেন একটা বিশাল বড় নাম হতে পারে। Therefore, succeed more in your career and best of luck for your bright future ahead. So happy birthday again. Many happy returns of the day. Stay blessed and have a great year ahead.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Trisu.
बार बार दिन आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुझे हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू Trishna, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Trishna, many happy returns of the day. Stay blessed, enjoy your day, have a blessed, and I hope God will fulfill all the dreams and desires.
Happy birthday, Trishna. Many happy returns of this day. You're doing a great job on Spotify. I've actually listened to one of your podcasts on Spotify. You're just awesome, and may you achieve all your goals and dreams. And this is what I want to say. And happy birthday, and enjoy your day. Have a blast. Not atomic, of course.
अभी मैं वेट ही कर रही थी, अब देखो ये दिन आ भी गया। अब आप पूछोगे क्या, तो मेरी प्यारी सी तृष्णा का बर्थडे। यस, आज 16 जून है यार, पता नहीं था क्या। हैप्पी बर्थडे तृष्णा, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग बॉर्न एंड थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग इन माय लाइफ। बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू तृष्णा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू तृष्णा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। Thank you so much Trishna once again for coming in my life and being born, and you are being a year older now. तो मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी कि क्या बोलते सब कुछ अच्छा होगा, बुरा वक्त भी आएगा, बट नेवर लूज दैट स्माइल, ऑलवेज कीप स्माइलिंग माई गर्ल, एंड जैसी हो वैसी रहना, नेवर चेंज इन एनी सिचुएशन। कुछ भी हो जाए कभी चेंज मत होना। एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू, and may you have a wonderful year and a life ahead. Happy birthday, sweetheart.
Hi Trishu, how are you? I hope you are doing good. Happy birthday darling, today is your birthday. May God bless you with good health, wealth and prosperity. May God fulfill all your dreams, that whatever you have dreamt of, may God shower His choicest blessings on you. May you shine in your life in all aspects. And I have written a poem for you on your birthday, so let me just recite. A poem for my Trishu on her birthday. Trishu, you are a beautiful flower in my life's garden. Trishu, you are a beautiful flower in my life's garden. For others' mistakes and misconducts, you always pardon. Your fragrance of breath makes my surrounding so peaceful. Your fragrance of breath makes my surrounding so peaceful. Your presence made my life extremely blissful. I love you. I love you for the care and trust that you have showered on me. You welcomed me to your life and I made you my sunshine. Even though many obstacles will come in my life, but you will always stay mine. And for our togetherness, I always praise the eternal thee. Whenever I feel sad or depressed, I listen to your melodious voice. It soothes my mind and body and keeps me calm, and I begin to rejoice. You are my angelic sis. You are my angelic sis, who is innocent by heart. and so delicate. You are my angelic sis who is innocent by heart and so delicate. I'm damn sure if I'll search throughout the world, I won't be getting your duplicate. Every morning, your good morning messages refreshes me and removes all my mental blockage. Every morning, your good morning messages refreshes me. Good morning message refreshes me and removes my mental blockage. Your good night messages make my mood rejuvenated and takes my pondered mind to a saving stage. Dear Trishu, you may reach to the greater heights. Dear Trishu, you may reach to the greater heights. I pray for your good health and success. Be exuberant, whatever the situation it may be. Fly high with great determination, and your desires you never suppress. Love you to the core. Yours best buddy. Yours Mama Didu, Kamila Di. So enjoy your born day and have extremely joyful birthday. Thank you. Love you.
Happy birthday, Krishna Di. Many happy returns of the day. Stay blessed, stay safe, and thank you.
खूबसूरत सी आँखें, मीठी सी आवाज़ और प्यारी सी मुस्कान, यही तो है हमारी प्यारी त्रिशु की पहचान। छोटी सी उम्र में बड़े बड़े काम, अपने अथक प्रयासों से तुमने बनाया है अपना बड़ा सा नाम। सबके राइटअप्स को सराहती हो अपने प्यारे शब्दों से, सबका दिन बनाती और सबके दिल को छू जाती। Wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday, Trishu. Stay blessed, stay happy, and may God always bless you with lots of happiness and smile that you brings in others' life with your beautiful comments and sweetest voice. Happy birthday once again, my sweetest sister from Assam, my sister by heart. Enjoy your day.
Krishna, happy birthday. You deserve nothing but the best. Hope you have the best day ever. I love you so much. Keep shining, keep writing, keep doing things you love, and always be happy. We're all there for you, and always keep making me smile. You're an amazing writer, an amazing poetess, and a cute little sister of mine. Who has always supported me. Thank you for that. You deserve nothing but the best, and hope you have the best day ever. Stay in touch. Never change for anyone. Be the same friendly person that you always are. And what else do I tell? Keep reviewing like you always do. You're an amazing reviewer. I love all your reviews, and may you always shine brighter in anything you take. Bye bye.
Happy birthday, Krishna, and this is Vibhut Dada from Delhi, and tu hi amar rockstar sister, and keep shining like a star. And wish to meet you soon after the pandemic, and I want to learn a lot from you. I want to excel in this field. I want to show that I can break the boundaries of my limitations, and just be happy as you are.
Happy birthday, my dear best reviewer Trishna Chakravarti, and may God bless you for your future. And I keep reviewing very nicely, and I still love your reviews even in life. God bless you.
Happy
birthday, Trishna-di. Many happy returns of the day. Wish you a great success in your life. Achieve more and more and go to the heights. And wish you all the best for your future. আর খুব ভালো থাকো, stay well, stay safe.
Happy birthday, Trishna. Wish you a very good happy birthday and hope this year may bring you a big surprise and happiness. May God bless you.
Many happy returns of the day. You have a great, lovely life ahead. I give you wishes to lead a great one. And yeah, you are a perfect writer. You sing also amazingly. And the dialogues you say, that's also wonderful. Glad to have you and have a great one ahead.